Hello, everyone. Sawyer here, co-founder and chief product officer at Deeplite. We're very excited to share that we'll be presenting at the upcoming ARM DevSummit in October. In this talk, we get into how we've combined hardware and software optimizations using the ARM Ethos-U55 NPU and Deeplite's neutrino software to drastically accelerate inference and increase throughput on low-power hardware. What's exciting about this talk really has three different parts to it. First and foremost, it's the first-hand experience with how we've used the FVP, the new software toolchain, and the Vela compiler to create an easy-to-use and simple experience for deploying neural networks on this hardware. Secondly, we'll get into some of the technical challenges and also solutions on combining pipelines of optimizations in this one toolchain, such as structured pruning, unstructured pruning, quantization, and how to do each of these in one flow to maximize results, while of course maintaining accuracy. And lastly, we'll get into the results. We're really excited to look at how much throughput can be gained here, also on the memory access as well. There's a lot of interesting things that are yet to be explored here. We can't wait to see you at the summit.